1930 Ford Model A 5-window coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Street rotted out, as you can see. This is an all steel body. 350 small block Chev power, paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic. 350 to be exact. Let's take a look at the front of this. You can see tubular control arms. Chrome grille and bright work looking good up front. Disc brakes. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. The classic looking 5-spoke mag wheels. A lot of bright work underneath that hood. We are going to start it up, let you hear it run here at the end of this video. HEI ignition, 4-barrel Edelbrock carb with Edelbrock intake manifold. There was electric water pump on there, electric fan. Nice looking Zoomies headers. Black paint shows well. It's black. You're going to find an imperfection here or there, I'm sure, on it. But overall, as you can see, it has a nice shine to it. Great looking interior. Kind of a two-tone black and gray. It's pretty dark in here, so it's kind of tough to see it. But yeah, the gray inserts in the black interior. Old school looking gauges. We'll get around to the driver's side. Let you take a little closer look at the interior, start it up. Like I said, let you hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Coilovers on the rear. Battery has been relocated to the rumble seat area, I guess, if you will, or the trunk space. Let's see, fuel fill on this driver's side. If you like these old school street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The videos are uploaded daily. And when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in it are available to purchase. A lot of room in this one too, you can see, with the seat set all the way back. I'll show you that when we get in to start it up. And you can see a nice reflection in that paint. Black paint does have a nice shine to it. And again, check out those underside pictures. You'll be able to see how it looks underneath there. More about the suspension. Door panels. Does have electric windows. Those are working. That is on each side. Gray carpeting in nice shape. You're going to be able to see underneath the floor mats in the still pictures. Seats are adjustable, as you can see. Front switch. Let me get back here so you can see this interior a little bit better. There you go. Gives you a good idea. Tilt column. There's quite a bit of room in there, considering you're looking at a Model A street rod. And it's not chopped so terrible. It comes down and where there's no headroom. See that a lot too. All right. There's a little closer look at the old school gauges. Looks like the speedometer, odometer was recently installed. Only reading 12 miles. Let's fire this up. Electric fan kicked in. Make sure we're in park. Alright, so oil pressure rising up. Temp gauge, that was a cold start. I wouldn't expect that to come up. That fuel gauge came up. Amp meter. Sounds good. The door panels, the seats, and the headliner all matched, by the way. So not real crazy on the exhaust. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's got a rumble, but it's not crazy over the top. That sounds good. Nice old school look. 1930 Ford Model A 5-window coupe, street rotted out, all steel. Title is the 1930. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1930 Ford 5-window coupe. This would be a street run and lots of fun. Black on black. Nice bucket seats in this car. It's an automatic on the floor, so it's easy to drive. Those pipes coming out the side sound great. And it's not slow either. Oil pressure is showing 60 psi. Fuel half a tank, a little less than half a tank. Amps are charging over halfway. Our temperature is just coming up off 100. Looks like it's reading about 120. And we're doing 40 miles an hour now, but it's slowed down a little bit so you can hear me better. Nice interior, great looking paint. Side pipes are gorgeous. The way a street rod should. There's a little bit of slack in the steering, not much. Power windows. I'm 6'1", I fit okay in this car. Brakes are nice and smooth. Hear that idle? Sounds great. It does feel like manual steering, but it's such a light car, you don't even notice. The corner's nice and flat.